Have you ever talked to a smart speaker? Maybe you asked it about the weather, or perhaps you've seen a movie suggestion pop up on your screen. That's artificial intelligence, or AI, at work. Think of it like a computer brain. We teach this brain to learn things, solve problems, and even make decisions. It's not magic, it's science. Scientists and engineers write special instructions, called algorithms, that tell the computer how to think. It's like giving a robot a recipe to follow, but the recipe lets it learn and get smarter all on its own. It's really cool. Now, this computer brain is not like a human brain. It doesn't have feelings or get hungry for a slice of pizza. It's very good at specific tasks. For instance, an AI can look at thousands of pictures of cats and learn to tell you which new picture has a cat in it. It does this by finding patterns, just like you might find patterns in a puzzle. Humans are great at many things, like being creative and understanding emotions. AI is great at processing huge amounts of information very quickly. That makes it a powerful tool that can help us in so many ways. So what does this all mean? It means we have created a helper. This helper can do the boring, repetitive stuff for us. Imagine an AI that can sort all the mail in a giant mailroom in just a few minutes. That would free up people to do more interesting jobs, like making sure important packages get to the right person on time. AI is designed by people, for people. It's a tool we built to extend our own abilities, much like we built telescopes to see farther into space, or microscopes to see tiny little worlds. It's all about working smarter, not harder. The goal of AI is not to replace us. The goal is to assist us. Think about how calculators help us do math faster. We still need to know what math problem to solve, right? The calculator just does the number crunching. AI is similar, but on a much bigger scale. It can handle complex data that would take a person years to go through. By using this amazing tool, we can discover new things about our world, our health, and even the universe. It's an exciting time to be alive, and AI is a big part of that excitement. Consider this. Now, some people hear AI and think, oh no, a robot is going to take my job. That's an understandable worry, but let's look at history. When cars were invented, people who took care of horses were worried. But then, a whole world of new jobs appeared. We needed people to build cars, fix cars, sell cars, and build roads for cars to drive on. Technology doesn't just take away, it also creates. AI is doing the exact same thing right now. It's a job-making machine, creating roles that we couldn't have even imagined just a few years ago. For every task that an AI learns to do, new tasks for people are born. Someone has to design the AI. Someone has to train the AI. Someone has to check the AI's work to make sure it's doing a good job and being fair. These are brand new jobs. It's like when the first computers came along. We suddenly needed computer programmers, IT support specialists, and cybersecurity experts. Before the computer, none of those jobs existed. AI is the next big wave, and it's bringing a tide of new opportunities with it. It's a fundamental shift in how we work. Think about it this way. AI systems are very smart, but they don't know everything. They learn from the information we give them. So, we need people to be AI trainers. These people prepare the data and teach the AI what to look for. It's like being a teacher for a very smart student. You guide its learning so it can help others. We also need AI ethicists. These are people who make sure that the AI is used in a good and fair way, so it doesn't make biased decisions. These roles require human judgment and a sense of what is right and wrong. So, instead of thinking about jobs disappearing, let's think about jobs changing. Many jobs will evolve to include working alongside AI. A doctor might use an AI to help spot diseases on an X-ray more accurately. The doctor is still in charge, but now they have a superpowered assistant. A farmer might use an AI to know exactly which parts of a field need more water. The farmer is still the expert, but they have better information to make decisions. AI isn't the new boss. It's the new, incredibly helpful but not perfect intern. Let's talk about some of these amazing new jobs. Have you ever heard of a prompt engineer? It sounds like something from a science fiction movie, but it's a real job today. A prompt engineer is someone who learns how to talk to AI. They write very clear questions and instructions, called prompts, to get the best possible answers from an AI system. It's a bit like being a librarian who knows exactly how to find the right book. You have to understand how the AI thinks to ask your questions in the most effective way. This job requires creativity and communication skills. Another new job is an AI data labeler. AI needs to learn from examples, and those examples need to be labeled. For instance, to teach an AI to recognize a stop sign, you need to show it thousands of pictures. Data labelers are the people who go through these pictures and draw a box around every stop sign, labeling it stop sign. This careful work is essential for building self-driving cars, medical imaging tools, and so much more. It's a job that needs attention to detail, and it's a critical first step in the AI learning process. Without data labelers, the AI wouldn't know what it's looking at. How about an AI personality designer? Yes, that's a real thing. When you talk to a chatbot or a virtual assistant, its personality wasn't an accident. Someone designed it. These designers decide if the AI should be funny, serious, formal, or friendly. They write the jokes it tells and the polite way it answers your questions. This job combines writing, psychology, and technology. It's all about making our interactions with AI feel more natural and pleasant. It takes a human touch to give a machine a personality that other humans will enjoy talking to. And then there are AI business strategists. These are the big thinkers who figure out how a company can use AI to create better products or services. They look at all the things an AI can do and match it with the needs of customers. For example, a strategist might suggest using AI to create personalized learning plans for students or to help a clothing store recommend the perfect outfit. This job requires a deep understanding of both technology and people. It's about building a bridge between what's possible with AI and what's helpful in the real world. So should you be afraid? No way. You should be excited. The world of work is changing, but that's something humanity has always been great at, adapting. We are incredibly good at learning new things. The key is to be curious and willing to pick up new skills. Think about all the things you have learned in your life already. Learning how to work with AI is just the next step on your journey. There are so many online courses, videos, and classes that can teach you about these new tools. You can start learning today. It's all about embracing the change. The future isn't people versus machines. The future is people with machines. It's a partnership. We bring the creativity, the critical thinking, and the empathy. AI brings the speed, the data analysis, and the pattern recognition. When you combine our strengths with AI's strengths, we can solve problems that seemed impossible before. We can find new cures for diseases, discover cleaner ways to create energy, and explore the universe in ways we've only dreamed of. This collaboration will make our work more meaningful, not less. Remember, every new technology feels a little strange at first. People were probably a bit nervous about electricity and the internet when they were new too. But look at how much good they have brought into our world. AI is the same. It is a tool that we control. It is up to us to use it wisely, to use it for good, and to make sure that everyone benefits from the amazing things it can do. By staying informed and learning new skills, you are putting yourself in the driver's seat of this incredible technological revolution. You get to be part of shaping the future. So let's get to it. Let's be curious. Let's be creative. Let's learn. Let's build. And let's work together with our new AI tools. The future is not something that just happens to us. It's something we create. And with the power of human ingenuity combined with artificial intelligence, we are going to create a future that is smarter, healthier, and more exciting than we can even imagine. The world is changing, and that is a wonderful thing. Let's change with it. Science rules.